Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. My name is Madhab Dulal. I'm Senior Executive Director at Experior Financial Group. Today, I'm going to share more about Experior Financial, its business opportunity, and how we can help you. I'm in financial industry since 2014, and I'm working with Experior as a Senior Executive Director since 2019. Let's go. Let's see what we can offer for you and your family. So, the company name is Experior Financial Group. We are how we going to help you and how we have reached up to here. Let's discuss on that. So, this is our business morality. Any new person join Experior, we give them the hand, we support, we provide all the tools, technology, whatever we have to make them independent. Once they become independent, that is the real business. So our main purpose is to bring the new people here at the starting points to support them to move forward to the next level. Also, we're going to talk how we made up to here and what is our future goals and plans as an Experior as a company. So next, we call it MGA in Canada, IMO in the USA. We founded in 2014. We have 4,000 plus licensed advisors, and we are the first Canadian brokerage that's moved to the USA. The Canadian head office in Gulf, Ontario, and here's the USA office. So our mission is building financial foundation for families to empower them today and leave a legacy for tomorrow. So here's the things. We are fully governed, government licensed to do the business across Canada and the USA and Puerto Rico as well. So our future goal, we want to go across the globe. We are not planning to settle only in the two countries. We are planning to expand our operation across the globe in future. So for you, if you want to develop your business within your territory, your city, you are welcome. If you want to develop the business within your state, you are welcome. Or if you want to develop the business across the Canada and the USA and to Puerto Rico, you are welcome as well. So it's your choice how big you want to develop the business. So here, let's understand key contributor to the entire financial system. Who are the key contributor? Number one, the banks. Number two, the insurance company and the investment companies. Those are the major contributor to the financial ecosystem. Then what Experior does? Experior is a business partner of them. So we became the business partner of those financial institutions where we provide financial solutions to the family. What are the solutions? Let's have a look here. The number one is protection of the paycheck and maintaining the lifestyle. That means if you go to the work, we make the money. But imagine that if we get sick, if we get disabled, and if we cannot go to the work, how money comes to our family? How? That's what we're going to talk more about. There is a life insurance. If anyone passes away, family gets money. Disability insurance, anyone gets disabled, injured, you get a money monthly basis. The critical illness, if anyone's sick, health and dental. So visitor, travel, funeral, final. So health insurance. So there are so many services available if we have any medical challenges. If nothing happened, awesome, great. We grow, we became retired. But if anything happened, how we run our family? That is a major challenge, right? So the another one is when we make the money, we need to learn how to invest and grow the money. If the money does not grow, what happens? Inflation, the money values down, right? So there are so many vehicle government developed for us to invest and grow the money. But are we taking the advantage of those vehicles? That is the second thing we're going to do. We're going to help, we're going to teach. Then the another thing is we can't do everything by ourselves. So we develop some of the program called the mortgage, home and autos, those type of things. We have a product, that we have the services partners. We refer to them. They will do the job for them, but they still pay us. The another one is additional services. So estate planning, the wills, the healthcare directive, enduring power of attorney, business succession plan, tax strategy. So those type of legal document is very, very, very important and crucial to maintain while we are alive and while we are mentally fit, mentally capable. So there is 4 sections we take and we provide the services. But here's a question. So we provide the services means, do we own any services? We don't. We provide the services from those major carriers who are in the business for last 50, 100, 150, 200 years. So those are our product partners for United States of America. So that means we have all the major carriers, all the major companies who are in the market to provide us, to back up us, to give the services to the family. So how we pick? According to the need analysis. So whatever the company best for particular client, we pick that company for that client. So let's understand this one. There is 3 type of modality in our industry. If you get a license of health, life and health, then you can work as a salarized employee. When you work as a salarized employee, it could be the brand recognition, strong training, but maybe the limited product. You can only sell one company, one product, right? So one size shoes does not fit for all. One size shoes does not fit for all. That means everyone have a different requirement, different need, different goals, right? So we need a custom. So another thing is if you quit, then the client becomes to that company, right? So another is IMO, where you probably have a more carrier, but limited, the ownership. Like if some MGA and some IMO are only in the one city, some are only in the one state, right? So if you really want to want to go globally, that may not be the suitable for you. And another is networking, where you can develop multiple agency, override national expansion. But the thing is, some MGA have really bad name issue, brand name issue, right? And the happy compensation goes on the top. The bottom people who work, they may not get compensated according to their, the effort, the hard work they are putting. So look at here, some good things, some good things, some good thing. What I do? We try to bring all the good things and make a tribal model where anyone comes to Experior, they are happy. Anyone. How? Let's go through this slide. Okay. So this slide tells here that if you join Experior and you want to develop the team, you want to grow, you want to bring more people to the Experior, we always welcome you. And here's the slides. Let me go through and explain you that. So for example, here is Alex who joined the business, who get a license. The first thing, he gets 70% commission. How they calculate it is if he put $100 premium per month, divide by 12, it's a $1,200 if that is 100% factor, right? So some company pay more than 100% factor, some company pay little lesser than 100% factor. So for example, 100% factor, $1,200, then what is 70%? That is $840. That's the money they're going to make. Promote it, 85% of this amount. Promote it, 100%, 150. So anyone started 70, when you reach 80, then there's a production volume, right? Bonus. So they can reach up to 130%. Plus, we don't stop there. Let's say this person promoted, let's say lakhs, promoted 80. He promoted another 80. Now that becomes the generation. So the 14%, then the 7%, then the 3%, then 2%. So by doing that, in total, we are paying 130 plus 28%. That means total 158%. Wow, wait. How come it becomes more than 100%? Here's how it becomes. So if someone putting $100, $1,200, multiply by 158%, whatever is amount, that's what we pay on the field. But how insurance company make that much of the money? How much Experior get? Obviously, Experior is not a charitable company. We get more than that. Insurance company normally, whatever they are, let's say if someone is putting $100 per month, normally first 2 year, 24 month of the premium, they will provide to the IMOs. most of the insurance company. Out of that, Experior pays 158%. Now, here's the beautiful part. If somebody join you and say that, I don't want to recruit, I don't like to recruit, I don't want to expand, but I want to learn, I want to help, I want to implement myself and my family, my friends. I love to help the people. Awesome. Welcome to Experior. We have solutions for you. How? Look here. Anyone join 70%, slowly reach 130% total compensation, 158%, and literally, how many you need to recruit? 0. You don't need to recruit anyone, but you still reach here through this promotion channel. You want to recruit and build the team? Awesome, welcome. You don't want to recruit? Awesome, welcome. We have a home for you. Sounds good? So now let's move forward. If someone does $250 per month, now what happened? 3,000 points. Here's a commission, 2,100, 25, 3,000, 3,450. And here's a hierarchy commission, right? So this is the commission distribution. Exactly same commission we put in the structure, the formula, $250, 3,000 points. Very brand new licensed advisor make $2,100. You promoted, you promoted, you promoted, you get this one. So let's say if I'm in 3,450 and brand new are here, I make a differences, right? And for example, here's one more beautiful part. If you are a senior associate and you bring someone as a senior associate, most of the company, you don't make anything. But here, we still pay you something because we honor you. If you became the senior manager, one level up, then you have a difference of 15%, right? Otherwise, same level, you still get something, okay? Say about 5% in the same level. If you reach the different level, obviously different. Now, generation. You became ED, I became ED. There is a generation that called the first generation, 14%. Then the second generation, then the third generation, then the fourth generation, up to 7th generation we pay. Total 158%. Sounds good? So let's move next one. This slide helps you to understand the business. So number one is a business provided by the Experior. Number two is license provided by the state. So please note that Experior does not provide the license. You need to give exam to the related your state, home state, where government gives you the license. Once both thing is there, you have a business, you have a license. Now door open for the business. Once door open for the business, what you can do the personal productions. So we train you, we develop you, we provide you all the tools where you can provide the services to the client. Once you provide service to the client, what happened? You get one-time compensation. Then you get renewal trails from some of the product as well, right? From month 13. Then the second you develop the team, what happened? Team does something, you get override. Team does something, you get renewal and trial as well. So please note that all the company, all the product doesn't have a renewal and trial. Some product may have one-time compensation. Some product may have like rest of the life renewal trials, right? So it depends. So another one is a shareholder ED. Once you become the shareholder ED, you get the share from the company, then you get dividends. Another one is a volume bonus. So when you grow, then you get team volume bonus, personal production bonus, some carrier paid directly to you. So those type of bonus are available as well. So let's summarize. Here's a starting point. We go to the financial associate, senior financial associate, sales manager, then executive director. Down the road, if you want to gift the business to your kids, you are welcome, you can gift. If you want to sell it, you are welcome, you can sell. So here's the thing. We started from the point here, you promoted, you promoted, you promoted, you promoted, you reach here. You need only 4 license and 7 license advisor to reach here. So from here to here, there's no license advisor needed. So let's say you reach here and you want to gift your kids literally just get a license, they can start from here. They don't need to start from here because this is something you worked hard. They don't need to do the same thing, right? This is like a franchise you develop, you give to the kids, they will start it as an owner, right? Exactly the same thing. Now, when you sell, how much money you're gonna get? We're gonna talk to the next slide. But when you gift, your kids gonna start take over from where you have reached and from that point. Sounds good? So let's move forward. 100% ownership. We provide ownership on the client from the day one. Down the road, you don't like Experior, you find there is, the grass is green on the other side, You can anytime you can take it out your clients. There's no restriction. Experior literally going to release your book of business, your clients, as soon as you sign the resignation form. So ownership of the agencies, you develop the team, you own your agency, your team. Ownership of the Experior, you get shareholder. If you develop the team, you get shareholder. If you don't want to develop, you just want to improve, you want to get a promotion on your production, you still get a share on the Experior. So you get real share, ownership of the agency, ownership of the client. So now this is the something that I want to talk a little bit about the legacy ownership program. Let's say if you became disabled, critically ill, death, or you decide to retire. If your family want to take a business, awesome. They can get a license, they get 100%. Most of the company does that. But here's the beautiful part. If your family doesn't want to take a business, or they cannot pass the license, or they don't want to involve, what happened? Most of the company doesn't have any plan. But here we have it. What we have it, the first level anyone can qualify if you decide to retire, pass away, disability, death, anything conditions, Experior pay 75% for next 10 years. You qualify for the goal, Experior pay 75% 10 year, then 25%. 25% how long? Here's the thing. Infinite time. There's no timeline for 25%. Indefinitely, the rest of your life, your child, grandchild, generation to generation. That is the beautiful part. And here's the beautiful part. They don't need to take a license. It's your business, your franchise, your financial distribution services franchise. You sell it, Experior pay 25% rest of life. You qualify here, 75%, 10 year, 50%. You qualify here, 75% for indefinitely. The rest of your generation to generation. And financial services going to be there until our human existence are here, right? So it's not going to fall. So now here's a legacy program. Once you understand that, let's understand why Experior for you. So number one thing is wide range of services provided, building potential, brand. Some companies very shy to take a brand name, right? So the timing, so ownership of the company and the client and the agency, unlimited potential income, huge growth opportunity in Canada, USA, and across the globe in the future. We are globally going. We are really, really going faster, growing faster, going faster. Okay. So some people are gonna think that, oh, I don't know anyone. So how I gonna, do it, right? So I don't know any people. Can I buy the lead? Yes, absolutely. You can buy the leads. So you got to pay the money, you buy the leads. And the next one is, when you join Experior, you need to pay for the AOA, Associate Ownership Agreement. I just want to add you one thing. What is the difference between AOA and membership? So it is like something, if you want to own the farm and want to do the agriculture versus you rent the farm. Hey, if you want to do agriculture and money is not a problem, do you want to rent it or do you want to own it? If you rent it and let's say you do the mango tree, when mango tree grows, if your farm owner does not like you, have some conflict, what happens? Can you take out the mango? You can't do that. So what you need to do? You need to sell the farm on the term and condition of your landlord. Exactly. If you are developing in the business some of the platform, down the road you have conflict, you don't like their work ethic, you want to leave, you get some money, but how much? Whatever they want to give. Is there any return? There's no return. It's just like whatever they want to give, right? Versus if you own the farm, you own it, you do your agriculture things. Down the road, you don't like it. It's your farm. You can sell the money you like. Or there is a written contractual guarantee. So at Experior, what happened? Down the road, you want to grow, you want to sell. Here is a written contractual agreement where that cannot be changed. Either your family get license or doesn't get license, right? So here's the associate ownership agreement when you join. Right now for Canada, 150, USA 0. Good news. You don't need to pay. Just join it. And licensing course is $39 in USA, $229 in Canada, but we'll reimburse for Canada currently for the course as well. And E&O coverage somewhere from $20 to $30. So hey, due to the partnership, you can save some money by partnering with us. And look at here, back office, SS 24/7 videos, the weekly webinar, the financial analysis program, CRM, quotation tools. Canada, we pay only $39 per month. USA, we start with $19, then 35, then 45, then 65, then 79. You are paying some very, very minimal money to own the financial services distribution franchise, which have potential unlimited income. You may think, okay, why I need to pay this amount? Here's the thing. I'll show you something. This is the Experior platform. You go Experior inside, you go inside it. And if you want to see, so for example, if you have a client and you want to see, okay, what services, what is the best services for the client? You use the back office. That back office fee provide everything. Look here, if you go to the quotation and you click annuity quotation, you just go here. If someone say that, okay, I have 25,000 to invest, I have 10,000 to invest, you just go here and you figure out which company provide the best annuity rate for that one. Look at here, some company that you need to have minimum $10,000. Some company need to have 100,000, some 250, some 5,000, 20,000, right? So you don't need to go each category and check it out. What is the best rate? Which company provides me for that amount of the money, right? Another thing is, look at insurance code. So let's say you have a client and he want to purchase some the insurance from you. You don't need to go each company and check it out. Okay, how much the cost and like which company I should go. Here's the thing: you directly go, you put it out, you give input what you want, term, whole life, IUL, UL. Look at here, annual, monthly, quarterly, whatever, right? So in this condition, 35-year female California. Look at here, 500,000 term insurance for 20 year. $17 per month. Wow, amazingly cheaper, right? So it's like $50 a day. That gives you 500,000 coverage. Look here, Transamerica, 1743. All the company comes this way, okay? So if you like this as an advisor, you click it out, you start the application, boom. You don't need to think, you don't need to go here and there. One system, one platform for everything. Now you start application, it reaches to the Transamerica. Once it reaches to the Transamerica, now you don't need to, communicate with Transamerica. We have a system. How? It automatically connect our system and it comes here in the mailbox. So from here you can communicate, you can contact. Okay, if the application need to follow up, need further information, you just click it out, you communicate here, it reaches to the Transamerica. So that means our back office system, we develop it, the technology where you connect with the client, with the people, and easy, accessible, trackable, everything. One more thing I want to show before we leave is so many advisors in our industry, they are very shy to describe what they do. They are very shy to talk to the people. We make you easy. Don't worry. You just join Experior. You go here and you click it out here. Look at here. You click it out here. You just copy it. You send it to your friends and family. Once you send it to your friends and family, they can.
At Experior Financial Group, we are more than just a financial services company. Our mission is to build solid financial foundations for families, empowering them today and ensuring a lasting legacy for tomorrow. We believe that financial security is not just about numbers.
Okay, so they finish watching, so they click learn more and it opened another.
Are you looking for a career that is exciting, rewarding, and meaningful? Do you want to make a positive impact on people's lives? If you answered yes, then you might be interested in a career with Experior Financial Group.
Okay, so when they finish, again, it comes to the next. So it connects. So it have detail, right? Look here. Is this the job? No. This is the self-employed business opportunity where you gotta invest some money, but you have opportunity to gain unlimited. What to lose? You invest some money, you learn finance, you implement in your lifetime, you implement for your family, for your friends, for your neighbors, whoever you know, you help them, you make the money. Hey, I do lots of volunteer in my life. But this is the best volunteerism I have found. You help others to invest, you help others to protect their family, and you still make money. The best volunteer I have found. Now look it down. If someone's watched your video, they fill it out the information, whatever, and what happened? You will get call when you fill it out the information, right? So everything goes here. Look here. It's here is your picture here. Your name, your phone number, your email ID, your WhatsApp, Facebook, everything. Client click there, people click there, whoever looking, they will get out. And look here, so many things inside here. You want to do the survey. So this is one of the video I really like it. It's called the Share Financial. So if we see this,
And then
it
but without you,
it really explain what we do. So let's say you are going to the client house and it takes 20 minutes to raise, just boom, go to there, send it out. And the good thing is it goes from your name. It does not connect any other people's name. So here, your name is here, and you don't need to pay for this. It's everything included in our back office. So look here, let's hear how impactful is this video. Let's have a look.
how wealthy you are, how not wealthy you are, these are the four things that affect everybody. There are four fundamentals to a complete plan. The first one is positive cash flow. The second one is proper protection, protecting our income and protecting our assets. The third one is compound interest, which is money making money on money. And it's either going to be your best friend or it's going to be your worst enemy. And then taxation. Every plan should take taxation into account, whether it's now or in the future. But the key is the fundamentals never change.
So it's about 20-minute video that really explain your clients what you do, how you help, very professionally, and it goes from your name. So here's the conclusion: why you need to see the Experior opportunity. It's a ground floor opportunity. It have a higher chances to grow. Imagine that you buy the share of the Apple in like 2002, 2001, 2005, right? Imagine you bought the share of the Tesla when Tesla was just started in 2008, 9, 10, right? So that's what we are right now. We are growing very faster. And the beautiful part here is if anyone join our industry and if they want to build and they want to be the builder, we have opportunity for you. If anyone join the industry and you don't like to building modality, but you want to learn it, you want to serve it, you want to help the people, you want to make a part-time income, we have opportunity for you. You make $100,000, we provide you share without even single recruiting. So up to 14,000 share, we provide you. So our owner, founder, Mr. Jimmy Prickett, is one of the guy like us who love to help the people and who decided to give 49% of the share to the advisor like you and me. This is the only company I know owned by advisor, run by advisor for you, for the family, to help the advisor, to help the family, middle class family to move forward, to make part-time income, to create the fortune. Hey, if you like to know more about, please talk to the person who sent this video to you, who invited to watch the video. I love to help the person. I love to help you. I love to help sharing the more information about the finance, about the industry, about the growth, about the investment, about the career, about the personal growth. Whatever you need, I'm here for you. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching this. Thank you very much for your time. You have a very, very, very wonderful time, wonderful day.